Merry Christmas, loves! Ayan, magkalayo man tayo ng lugar, pero syempre, magkalapit naman ang ating mga puso. Woohoo! I love you. Merry Christmas. See you soon. Mwah! Love you. Mama.
Hi, Daddy, you and Mommy all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Kaya't ibigay mo na ang aming Christmas bonus. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Hello everyone! Mega love shout out. This is Salma Opalek at andito po ako para bumati ng happy holiday everyone. And especially to Mami Oli. Love you po.
Po, Mami Oli, batiin lang po kita, advance, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa iyo. Sana ma-enjoy mo itong holidays. Bye-bye!
Hello, Tita. Good morning po. Advance Merry Christmas and God bless always, Tita. Hanggang sa muli, uulit ko, Merry Christmas po uli. Tita, magandang hapon po. Advance Merry Christmas po at sa'yo at sa iyong family, and advance Happy New Year po. Sana po ngayong Pasko, kahit po tayo ay malayo sa mga pamilya natin, tayo ay maging maligaya. Ito po ating pagsasama-sama dito sa live na to. Kaya nuulit ko po, Tita Oli, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year.
Hi! Merry Christmas! Hello po, Ma'am Oli. Ako po ay si Selhembra. Kumabati ng Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year sa ating lahat.
Mamuli, kagigising ko lang. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. At maraming salamat sa kabaitan. Maraming salamat sa pagka meron akong problema sa akin channel, nandyan ka kaagad, rescue to the max. Thank you so much talaga. Daddy you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you so much talaga, Ma'am Molly. Wala akong ibang masabi kundi thank you.
Hello po, Ate Oli. Si Ismi dito po ito. Gusto ko lang po kayo batiin ng Merry Christmas sa'yo and sa family mo. Enjoy vacation po. Enjoy the holiday. Bye.
Hello po, Mami Oli. Merry Christmas po. And advance Happy New Year po. Sa inyo po at sa family nyo. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. God bless po. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Oli. Merry Christmas po. Salamat po sa mabuting puso po ninyo para tumulong po sa nakakarami. Merry Christmas po. And God bless po. Ingat po palagi. Bye! Merry Christmas!
Hello, Mami Oli. Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. Ingat po palagi.
Hello po, Ate Oli. Si Carlos po ito. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless.
Hello po, Ma'am Oli. Binabati ko kita ng Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year po. May this Christmas season fill your home with warmth, light, and joy. Merry Christmas po ulit and Happy Holidays. Thank you po for always sharing your blessings.
Shoutout mga palalams. May kakantahin ako para sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay Christmas, so kakanta tayo ng Christmas song. Shoutout sa Kadab Friends, sa Kadab GC, sa conference namin ng GC. Shoutout sa inyo mga palalabs. This song is dedicated to Mami Oli and sa ating lahat. Okay, let's do it. Sana magustuhan niyo po. Whenever I see girls and boys singing lantern on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleep. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Last night our Christmas tree for a bright tomorrow, where the nation are at peace and all the one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. These seasons may we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. His love lights the starlight on the first Christmas morn. Lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice, come and sing a Christmas carol with a one big joyful voice, proclaim the name of the Lord. It's a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. These seasons may we'll never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. These seasons we'll never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Merry Christmas sa lahat-lahat. Happy and 2025. Shout out mga palalabs. Thank you from Annalisa TV Mix Vlog. Babush mga palalabs. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year advance. Babush!
Merry Christmas
And Happy New Year.
and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Santa Claus, kakod adto.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you, sis. To my loving sister, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year in 2026.